na cia mundu gwitwo Rigathi wa Gachagua kuri munini wa Mutongoria wa Bururi Rigathi wa Gachagua Niatongoririe Mucemanio wa Ibec Giikaro kia Mirongo ke Mucii Guku ni Mwena wa Karen Guku Nairobi Agitongoria Mucemanio Ucio Uria Ugwikinyitio ni Kanju ya Mangabana ndumiriri ya Rigathi ya Gachagua kuri andiki a mohoro augite ati hari kigina gya ciringi bilioni 385.4 kiria kigathikirwo thirikari cia county budget ni ya mwaka wa kigina wa 20 kana 2023-2024 ciringi bilioni 61.1 ni ciokereirio kuri county ciothe na bilioni 52 ni ciokereirio no county iria cire na mathiri manini afegini ya Central Bank nicio ikumiria kigina kiu mwandiki wito Chege wa Wanjohi noratohingurira ikunjiro hwaini wa omothi
uheani wa motungata kuma kuri thirikari cia county wahota guthie na gutharara kuona ati ciringi bilioni 61.1 nicio cirekereirio kuri thirikari cia county hari kigina gia ciringi bilioni 385.4 iria ciagathikirwo thirikari cia county budget ni ya mwaka wa 2023 mwaka wa 2024 na riu ciringi bilioni 52 ni cikurekererio na county iria cina mathire manini fegini ya Central Bank nicio cigukorwo muharine wa mbere kugunika na kigina kiu no indi kigina kiu gikuheanwo gitathire kuri thirikari icio.
The council was informed that of the 385.4 billion shillings allocated to the counties for the 2023-2024 financial year, out of which 61.1 billion has been disbursed to counties as an equitable share, Kenya shillings 52 billion to be disbursed as conditional grants to counties. To overcome difficult fiscal space, counties with low bank balances at the Central Bank will be given priority.
Kurumirira ndeto eno thirikari cia county ciri hatikaine makiria kuona nginyagia riu citire na kigina gia kurugamirira uheani wa motungata kuri muingi na makiria kugomirwa ni mathire maingi.
The council was informed that counties have consistently fallen short of their annual own source revenue OSR targets since the advent of devolution. The shortfall has had adverse effects on service delivery and has played a role in the accumulation of pending bills. The council acknowledges that the Commission on Revenue Allocation CRA has intervened by disseminating the OSR potential report, implementing the tax administrative diagnostic assessment tool, and formulating the tariff pending policy.
Ohori county Mirongo inano cio cineanite riboti ciao cia mathire kuri ruhonge rwa guthurima budget na ona kuri oguo county imwe citirumireire mawatho na mitaratara riboti-ini icio.
Regarding pending bills, it was reported that 40 counties have submitted their pending bills reports to the controller of budget. However, it was noted that some counties did not follow the first in first out basis criteria. The council decided that a meeting be convened involving the controller of budget, the council of governors and the national treasury to address and resolve the persistent issues of pending bills. Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV ritwa riakwa ni Chege wa Wanjohi.
Gatho cia mwanya